run for president. Even if there ain't no precedent, switching up the messaging. I'm about to add a little estrogen. Buy my whip, by myself. Pay my rent, by myself. Only exes that I care about are in my...
Hey apples, Extra Melanin here. I know you guys was expecting to see Monique in this video, but she said I should do her intro and also her outro. So I'm here today to teach you how to do this beautiful crochet hair. Easy step 1, 2, 3, like ABC. You're gonna get it, girl, for the winter to protect your nut. But before I begin and go into the video, I want to thank Monique for giving me the opportunity for having an edge on and becoming a YouTuber. Also the time and patience it takes to edit these videos. I want to thank you, Monique.
And the bass keeps running, running, and 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 running, running, and...
So here I'll be showing you guys how to install a crochet twist. As you can see, guys, my hair was already cornrow. So the first step to install the crochet twist is to open the root of the twist, which going to form a loop. Place 2 fingers into the loop. Then get your crochet pin, open the pin, insert the pin through the cornrows. After, you then place the loop of the twist on the pin. Then close the pin and remove the pin from the cornrows. The next step is to remove the loop of the hair of the pin, then insert 2 fingers into the loop of the hair. Use your other hand to take up the end of the twist, push it through the twist and pull, which you're gonna push through the loop of the twist, then you pull, so the crochet can be close to the corner. So for this style, guys, you can keep in for a maximum of 3 weeks. That's the maximum I normally keep in my crochet twist. It is an easy style and it's easy to go in, and it also protects your hair. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment below and let me know what you guys think about it. One love.